Good evening and welcome to Brinda Bulletin, your daily news for exam dated June 25, 2025. Curated headlines for competitive exams. Let's dive into today's top current affairs, structured fast and exam ready. National news. Railway fare hike likely from July 1st. Indian Railways may hike fares after 5 years. Non-AC will have rupees 0.01 per kilometer and AC with 0.02 per kilometer. Suburban and second class under 500 km will have no change. Hospital construction probe in Delhi. The anti-corruption branch ACB gets nod to probe Aam Aadmi Party leader Satyendra Jain and Saurabh Bharadwaj. Reason is rupees 5,590 crore project delays, 50% incomplete, 800 crore used. Operation Sindhu evacuates Indians. 2,296 Indians evacuated from Iran and Israel. Help desk in Masad closed after ceasefire. Kanwar Yatra funding overhaul. Delhi CM Rekha Gupta ends contractor model. Direct funds to religious committees up to rupees 10 lakh plus 1,200 units free electricity. Mamata flags Bengali detentions. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee alleges harassment of Bengali migrants in Rajasthan, claims 300 to 400 migrant workers being detained despite valid IDs. Floods in West Bengal. 2 lakh people affected in Paschim Medinipur. Centre yet to release funds for Gatal flood plan. Bihar government approves marriage halls. 8,053 gram panchayats to get marriage halls under scheme Mukhyamantri Kanya Vivah Mandap Yojana, and the cost is rupees 50 lakh each, total outlay rupees 4,026 crore. Zonal Council meet Varanasi. HM Amit Shah urges states to boost panchayat revenue, act on malnutrition, school dropouts, fast track courts. International news. Israel-Iran ceasefire in effect. Announced by US President Donald Trump after mutual strikes and missile attacks. India continues Operation Sindhu evacuation. West Asia fights hit despite airspace reopening. Flights cancelled. 18 in Kochi, 8 in Thiruvananthapuram, 16 in Bengaluru. Fare sold to rupees 80,000 to rupees 1.1 lakh due to rerouting and aircraft rotation issues. Economy and finance. Rail fare revision is the key update. Environment and ecology. Monsoon readiness in Delhi. PWD fills 2008-10 potholes in one-day mega campaign. Monsoon expected to hit Delhi by June 26th. Security boost at Saket Court. After under-trial murder, integrated surveillance to be installed. Sports news. Cricket. England wins opener. Ben Duckett leads England to victory. Match against West Indies. Series opener success. Books and authors. Emoji retrospective released. Books: Democracy Enchained, Nation Disgraced. Shah Commission, Echoes from a Buried Report. Author P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Governor of Goa. Launched by Kerala Governor Rajendra Arlekar. That's all for today's Brinda Bulletin, daily news for exam. Stay informed, stay focused. Like, share and subscribe for daily updates crafted for toppers like you. See you all tomorrow with more current affairs that